Today, in this video, I will share and explain the complete process of easiest Fiverr gig, which requires no experience, and you can do this work in just 5 minutes. If you spend about 1 hour of your day, you can generate a healthy amount of monthly income. Before we start the video, I just want you guys to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. I hope you guys have subscribed my channel, so in my PC I will open up Fiverr, and simply I search for product retouching. Here you can see there are only 2,661 gig, and it requires no experience. What you have to do is just remove the background of the image provided by the client and a little editing. Now you are thinking, what are the clients? Your clients are the owners of different Etsy, Shopify store owners, who wants to display their products in a better manner. If I open up 1 gig and show you, this seller had completed 190 orders, 2 orders in queue, so there is a lot amount of orders. Our next step is how to complete an order. If a buyer had posted an order on your gig, to do this, I will open Canva. Here you will do your work. For example, your client have provided the image of this beard oil. Now what you have to do is first remove the background of the image. I had Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can also use a website named as remove.bg. Here you can remove the background of the image in 1 click. After the background is removed, I will do a little adjustments. After that, I will apply a good and clean background. To do this, I will go to background menu and get a clean background. I think that is okay. After that, I will just apply shadow to the product. It will make it more better. After your picture is ready, download it as PNG and PDF. Now, go to photopea.com. It is a free online editor. Here you have to drag or upload your image of PDF standard. Now download this file, this PSD. This is your source file, which you will send to the buyer. So, this is all you have to do. I don't think it takes more than 5 or 10 minutes. I hope you guys have liked that video, and thanks for subscribing my channel.